Hi, my name is Emília Brandão and I'm a portrait photographer. I work for editorials such as Vogue, Glamour, GQ and Elle magazines. After a long journey, 4 countries and many projects, Leica named me a brand ambassador. Research shows that people may forget what you said, but they will never forget how you made them feel. This is why I think portraits are a great way to connect with people on a deeper level, to create not only pictures but unforgettable experiences. My idea of portraiture is an invitation to observe someone as they are, and to have the honor to create a memory of their story. In this Domestika course, you discover how to capture the essence of an individual through the understanding of human emotions. I will teach you step by step all the process of a professional photo shoot, but above all, how to direct and engage with the person in front of your camera. As our final project, we'll be photographing someone with little experience posing in front of the camera. We will choose a place the subject feels connected to and helps us tell their story. The goal is to have the best version of a person reflected in an image. I'm going to start this course by sharing my personal and professional journey to becoming a photographer. Then you will know the top 3 influences of my career. You will see how I work around an idea or a client's briefing to research and create a visual mood board. Also, you understand how I explore visually a location before a photo shoot. I will show you the equipment I use, the lighting and the plan B I like to have ready in case of need. You will follow me on creating a visual references board on facial expressions, body languages and poses. An important moment of this course is about human emotions and how to build a connection with your sitter. Before I start the photo shoot, you will see how I work with my sitter to engage her on the process. After that, I will place my sitter on the set with connection and empathy. With all this in mind, you will be prepared for your photo shoot. You will learn how to talk to your sitter to encourage them positively and engage them in their own portrait. During the post-production, I will show you how to transfer, edit and retouch the final images. And to finish our journey, I will give you tips on how to send the photos to your clients and maintain a professional relationship with them. By the end of this course, you'll learn a method on how to direct your sitter and make them feel comfortable during a photo shoot. Use your camera as a bridge to truly connect with people.